Hi guys, a good intro can help us grab the audience's attention right from the beginning. So today, let's take a look at how to create a food intro that can engage your audience. If you're up for it, let's dive in. Launch VideoProc Flagger. Create a project. To begin, we need 3 images with different colors. First, find this button and click on it. Then, go to the background section and change the default black color to the one you want. Apply it. Next, in the toolbar, find the text icon and click on it. In the inspector, delete the text content. Now, we can click on the camera icon above the preview window to take a snapshot of the current frame. This can create an image with the current color. Go back to the main interface, click the button again, changing the background color. Apply it, and click the camera icon. This creates a second image. Repeat the same process to get a wide image. Now, you can import these 3 images into your software and restore the background color to black. Import the prepared food clip and a piece of music. First, drag the music onto the audio track. Adjust the music's duration as needed. And add a fade-out effect. Then, arrange the food videos one after another on the video track, adjusting their order. We can use the waveform in the audio track as a visual reference to help you adjust the timing and the duration of these clips accordingly. This can bring us a perfect match of audio and video to get a more uniform outcome. We can color correct these clips. For instance, select this video, find the color icon on the toolbar, and enter the color in the filter editor panel. Come over to the custom parameter area on the right. Adjust contrast. Increase saturation. And fine-tune parameters like highlights and shadows. After that, don't forget to adjust the temperature slider for a warm tone. Once satisfied, click Apply to apply the adjustments. Let's start by finding this button, add a few overlay tracks and subtitle tracks. Then drag a solid colored image onto the overlay track. In the preview window, adjust its size and position. Once that's done, drag the text you created earlier to match this image. Now, go to the inspector to edit the text content. Choose a font you like. I recommend using the one that looks bold. Adjust the text size. You can use the Show Layout rectangle icon below the preview window to help center it within the colored block. Once that's done, if you don't want any text shadows, scroll down to the text shadow section and remove it. Don't forget to add fade in and fade out effects to the text. Now, let's keep going. Take the second colored image and drag it onto the empty overlay track. First, use the first colored image as a reference to adjust its size and position so that the 2 colored blocks perfectly overlap. Next, move it to match the position of the next clip. Make sure the timing of these two colored images overlaps correctly. We can use the shortcuts Ctrl and C to copy the previous text clip and then paste it onto the next subtitle track. Adjust its duration. Go to the inspector to change the text content. And choose a color that complements the background block. Position it correctly. And you're all set. Repeat this same method to quickly create and edit the third text. After all of this, let's add some motion effects to the colored blocks. Find the motion icon and give it a click. I want the colored blocks to slide in, so at the very beginning, click Add Keyframe. Adjust the size so that it covers the entire screen. Then move the playhead forward and create a second keyframe that looks exactly the same as the first keyframe. Choose a speed curve for it. Now go back to the first keyframe and adjust the selection box to make it out of the frame. This way, you've completed the animation. And when you are satisfied, click Apply to apply the adjustments. Now, let's move on to the second colored block. Follow the same steps to enter the Motion Editor panel. Add 2 keyframes using the same method and create the same animation effect. Once we've finished editing the motion effects for all 3 colored blocks, we'll have a video like this. That's it for today's tutorial. If you're interested in learning how to create more creative effects, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We hope you found this tutorial enjoyable. Bye!